friends! Today we're going to play a very fun game called Peekaboo Barn. Peekaboo! That's right. I think I hear our first friend knocking on the door. Knock, knock. Who is that? Shh. Knock. Should we open the door? Yeah? Let's tell them. Open the door. Open. Open. Open the door. We want to see the friend. Who is that? A bunny rabbit. A gray, furry bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbits like to hop, hop, hop. That's right. Should we say goodbye to our bunny rabbit? Yeah? Goodbye, bunny. Goodbye, bunny. Goodbye, bunny. It's time to close the door. Bye-bye, little gray bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbits like to eat carrots. That's right. Bye, bunny. Our next friend is here. Who is that? I don't know. Should we open the door? Yeah? Okay, let's say open. Open the door. Who is that? It's a little gray mouse eating some cheese. That's right. Mice like to say squeak, 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 squeak. Let me hear your mouse. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Good job. Goodbye, mouse. Goodbye, mouse. Goodbye, mouse. It's time to close the door. Very good. Bye-bye, little mouse. Have a fun day with your cheese. I hear our next friend. Who is that? Shh. Who is it? I don't know. I don't know. Should we open? Open. Open the door. Open. It's a goat. A goat has two horns on its head. Two pointy horns. The goat lives on the farm. Should we say goodbye to our goat? Okay. Goodbye, goat. Goodbye, goat. Goodbye, goat. It's time to close the door. That's right. Bye-bye, goat. We can get milk from goats, just like we can get milk from which other farm animal? Cows. That's right. Oh, our next friend is here. Who is that? I don't know. Should we open the door? Yeah? Okay. Open. Open the door. An owl. The owl is sleeping at the top of the barn. The other animals were on bottom. The owl is on the top. The owl says, hoo, hoo, hoo. The owl is very wise. Goodbye, owl. Goodbye, owl. Goodbye, owl. It's time to close the window? No. It's time to close the door. That's right. Bye-bye, owl. Oh, I hear another friend. Who is that? I don't know. Should we open the door? Yeah? Okay, let's open the door. Ready? You say, open. Open the door. That's right. Open. Who is that? A turkey. The turkey says, gobble, 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 gobble. 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 Can I hear your turkey? Gobble, 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 gobble. That's right. gobble. Good job. Goodbye, turkey. Goodbye, turkey. Goodbye, turkey. It's time to close the door. That's right. The turkey has lots of feathers. Oh, I hear our next friend. Who is that? Shh. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Should we open the door? Yes? Open. Open the door. Who is that? Oh, it's a dog, a puppy, a furry, cuddly puppy. That puppy looks happy. He is smiling. He looks happy. Goodbye, doggy. Goodbye, doggy. Goodbye, doggy. It's time to close the door. Oh, bye-bye, little doggy. Pat, pat, pat. It is always nice to give a doggy a pat, pat, pat. But you have to ask its mommy or daddy first. Okay. Who is that? Who is that? I don't know. Do you know? No, you don't know? Should we open the door? Yeah? Open. Open the door. Let's open. Who is that? A chicken and a baby chick. Oh my goodness, it's a mama and a baby. And the mama says, cluck, 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 cluck. And what does the baby say? Peep, peep, peep. Goodbye, chicken. Goodbye, chicken. Goodbye, chicken. It's time to close the door. Goodbye, baby. Goodbye, baby. Goodbye, baby chick. It's time to close the door. Oh, they are so cute, that mama and the baby. The baby hatched out of the egg. The egg cracked and the baby hatched. Wait, who is that? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Should we open the door? Yeah? Okay, let's tell the barn. Open. Open. Open the door. Open. It's a cow. A brown and white cow. What does that cow say? Moo. Moo. That's right. Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, cow. It's time to close the door. Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, cow. It's time to close the door. Yay! Bye-bye, cow. Oh, our next friend is here. Who is that? Shh. I don't know. Should we open the door? Yeah? Open. Open the door. Open. Open the door. Who is that? It's a donkey. That donkey was dancing. That is so silly. I have never seen a dancing donkey. The donkey says, hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. The donkey is smiling. The donkey looks happy. Goodbye, donkey. Goodbye, donkey. Goodbye, donkey. It's time to close the door. Oh, bye-bye, donkey. You look so happy. Thank you for dancing with us. What does a donkey say? That's right. Hee haw. He, haw. Good job, friend. Oh, I hear our next friend. Who is that? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Should we open the door? Yeah? Okay, ready? Open the door. Who is that? It's a sheep. A white, fluffy sheep. Sheep give us wool to make our cozy, cozy sweaters. Hi, sheep. That sheep is smiling. That sheep looks happy. Goodbye, sheep. Goodbye, sheep. Goodbye, sheep. It's time to close the door. That's right. Should we tell the barn? Close the door. Close. Close. Close the door. That's right. Bye-bye, fluffy sheep. Oh, we have a next friend. Who is that? I don't know. Who is that? Who makes that sound? I don't know. Should we open the door? Open. Open. Open the door. That sound doesn't sound like it's coming from the bottom. Where is that? The top. That kitty cat is up top. The cat is in the top. The kitty cat says, meow, meow, meow. Kitty cats are soft and furry. Kitty cat is sitting in the top of the barn. Goodbye, kitty. Goodbye, kitty. Goodbye, kitty. It's time to close the door. That's right, friends. Time to close the door. Close the door. Kitties like to climb trees. Kitties can go high up, up, up in the tree. Bye-bye, kitty. Close the door. Close. Oh, here's our next friend. Who is that? I don't know. Who is that? Shh. Shh. Should we open? Open. Open the barn door. Open the red barn door. Please. Please open. Please. Who is that? It's a pig. A pink piggy. A piggy says, oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. That's right. Piggy lives on the farm. Piggy lives on the farm. Goodbye, piggy. Goodbye, piggy. Goodbye, piggy. It's time to close the door. That's right. Close the door. Bye-bye, piggy. It is time to close the door. That's right. What does the piggy say? Can I hear your piggy? What does the piggy say? Oink, oink, oink. Good job, friends. Oh, I hear our next friend. Shh, shh, shh. Who is it? I don't know. Who is it? Should we open the door? Yeah? Okay, ready? Open the door. Open the barn door. Open the red barn door. Open. Who is that? That is a horse. What does the horse say? Do you know? What does the horse say? Neigh, neigh. That brown horse says, neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. That's right. Goodbye, horsey. Goodbye, horsey. Goodbye, horsey. It's time to close the door. Goodbye, horsey. Goodbye, horsey. Goodbye, horsey. It's time to close the door. Let me hear your horsey. What does your horsey sound like? Neigh, 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 neigh. That's right. Neigh, neigh. Oh, oh, I hear a new friend. Who is that? Miss Marci doesn't even know who that is. Who is that? Friends, do you know? Should we open the door? Open the red barn door, please. Open the red barn door, please. Open. We want to see our next friend. Open. Who is that? It's a duck. It's a mama or a daddy duck and 3 ducklings. 1, 2, 3 babies. Duck, 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 duck. What does a duck say? Quack, quack, quack. That's right, friends. Duckies say quack, quack, quack. Can I hear your ducky? Quack, quack, quack. Good job. Goodbye, ducky. Goodbye, ducky. Goodbye, ducky. It's time to close the door. Goodbye, ducky. Goodbye, ducklings. Goodbye, ducklings. It's time to close the door. Bye, mama. Bye, baby. Bye, baby. Bye, baby. 3 babies. What does your duck sound like? Quack, quack, quack. What do your baby ducklings sound like? Quack, quack, quack. That's right. Oh, here's our next friend. Who is that? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's open the red barn door, please. Open the red barn door. Who is that? Oh, that's a special friend. A llama. Llama. Your tongue goes up for the llama. Llama. That's right. That llama's hair is covering its eyes. He can't even see. That's so silly. Goodbye, llama. Goodbye, llama. Goodbye, llama. It's time to close the door. That llama's wearing a pink scarf around its neck. A pink scarf helps keep it warm. That llama's neck is warm. That's right. Okay, it is time to close the door. Bye-bye, llama. Oh, here's our next friend. Who is that? Do you know? Miss Marci doesn't know. Do you know? I don't know. Should we open the door? Open. Let's open the door. Open the door. Open the red barn door, please. Please. Thank you. It's a rooster. A red and blue rooster. What does that rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's right. The rooster's job is to wake up everybody on the farm in the morning by saying, cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster stands up top on the roof and says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Goodbye, rooster. Goodbye, rooster. Goodbye, rooster. It's time to close the door. That's right. That rooster has to go back and sit on the roof and wait for morning so it can tell everybody when to wake up. Oh, our next friend is here. Who is that? I don't know. Do you know? Miss Marci doesn't know. Who is that? Should we open the door? Yeah? Open. Open the door. Open the door. Who is that? Open the door, please. Open the door. Please. That's right. That's the nice way we say us. It's everybody on the farm. Oh my goodness. I see a cow. I see a piggy. I see a sheep. I see an owl. I see a horse. I see a cat and a dog and a duck and a chick and a llama and a turkey. All of the friends on the farm. Oh my goodness. Hi, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, farm friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to close the door. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, farm friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to close the door. That's right. Oh, I see the clouds moving behind the farm, and all the friends are looking out at you, smiling. Oh, the sun is going down, down, down. The moon is coming up, up, up. Who is that? Open the door? We have to say it very quietly. Open. Open. Shh. Who is it in there? Oh, it's the farm friends. The piggy and the cow and the kitty and the sheep and the baby chick are all night-night. Sleeping. Shh, night-night, farm friends. And maybe it's time for you to go to bed too, friend. Is it time for you to go take a nappy nap? Or go night-night? Night-night, farm friends. Thank you so much, friends, for playing with Miss Marci today. I had so much fun with you. I love you all, and I cannot wait to play with you again. And you can tell your caregivers to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos with Miss Marci. Night-night, friends. Bye-bye.